Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we're going to be doing some weight reduction on the Cobra. Not a whole lot. I'm just going to take the spare tire out. So I'm going to show you guys how much that weighs. I'm going to put that on the scale, see how much it weighs. And yeah, I know that the Cobras do have an unbalanced weight balance, so there's more weight in the front than the rear. And I know taking space out of the rear is going to make it more unbalanced, but not enough where I'm going to notice it out in the street, and I'll probably notice more of a weight reduction on taking the spare tire out than I will with you know, keeping it here and keeping it more balanced. So yeah, alrighty. So we'll just lift this trunk piece up. Maybe I eventually will take out this carpeting too, because this is decently heavy. So we're just gonna untwist this. Should be pretty simple. This. Looks like there might be a jack down there too. Yep. That is pretty heavy, actually. Alright, let's see what else we got underneath here. We can take it. Oh yeah, look at that. We got the jack too. Take this out. What else we got? This little, oh, we got a quarter. So we got a quarter, a spring, a screw, tired lug nut wrench. Put that there. What else we got? This metal thing here. It is very dusty behind here. I don't know if I want to take out this. Okay, yeah, we'll just take this out too. Set that here so it doesn't fly away. I save all the Cobra parts, so that is weird looking. Alright, let's check to make sure nothing else is in here. I'm definitely going to get a vacuum and vacuum this out. Got that all cleaned up. Now let's do some weighing here. All right, so this is at 0 now. Set the tire on it, and we are reading 26 pounds. Okay, we got ourselves a old school one here. So set this on there, Sky. Okay, we gotta fix that. That. There we go. I don't know. I think that's good. Let's add this blanket if we can. Top of everything. Alright, so that's an extra, we'll say, I mean, it's almost 8 pounds. We'll say 7.5 pounds. So how much total weight did we save? What did I say? The thing was 26 plus 7.5. So we saved 33.5 pounds. That's pretty decent, I would say, just for getting rid of something that I don't need. So yeah, so it's kind of cool. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoy this style video. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.